Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is that guys, how to disconnect headphone to our Vivo phone. Guys, you have connected this headphone in your Vivo phone and guys you want to disconnect. So as you can disconnect, and guys now let's see how to disconnect headphone to our Vivo phone. So friends, first of all come in your phone setting to disconnect this headphone. And guys you can see Bluetooth and devices. So guys click on Bluetooth guys. So as you can see guys, we have connected this headphone, so we will disconnect. And guys how to disconnect, so is setting option guys, right side guys, you can see disconnect option in your Vivo phone. So as you will click on this disconnect option, so this headphone will disconnect in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.